day, everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. Today is 21st of May, and this is a Europe session. And do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade with your broker before you put in your trades. So now with that we move on to our live analysis. Okay, the CPI from the pound. Okay, this is came out to be slightly better than expected. Okay, market was expecting 3.3, but came out to be 3.5. So that's one of the reason why we are seeing the strength on the pound. And we are also not seeing any US data tonight, only the crude oil inventories. Okay, there's a couple of trades which we have taken in the morning. we are we are looking for a reversal on the dollar meaning the dollar strength. And always remember, whenever we are trying to pick the top or bottom, when we are trying to look for reversal, there is a risk involved, and as a result I think we have to enter with a very low volume and wait for the confirmation. Then once we get the confirm, then we start to move in the direction. So always this is the risk involved, and do take note. Okay, now if we see, we are holding Aussie dollar sell at 64.40. Then dollar yen, we have a buy at 43.60. Euro dollar, we are holding a sell at 113.30. And dollar Swiss, we are holding a buy, and New Zealand dollar, we are holding a sell. So altogether we have 5 trades in open. Okay, and I remember I gave a sell on the pound also. Okay, I'm not sure whether, okay, the only the dollar yen has got stopped out. Okay, so now let's see these trades. Then finally after that we discuss on the gold. Okay, let's go one by one. Okay, we'll go on, we'll check on the euro. So we have a second entry at 113.80. Okay, we have a second entry at 113.80, and right now is 113.30. Then we look into dollar yen, dollar Swiss, Aussie, New Zealand, and finally the pound. Okay, so give me a minute. Give me a minute. Okay, so let's move on. So let's look into euro dollar first. Okay, we'll see the euro dollar. Okay, this is a weekly. This is an uptrend above 11270. Okay, weekly is up above 11270, and monthly is flat. Okay, monthly is flat. So meaning to say that the monthly we expect this. Sorry, sorry, yeah. Okay, monthly we expect the market to turn before 11575. So we need to find out how far this can stretch. Then we can see to go for a sell. Definitely buying, I don't want to go for a buy because this is in a final stage. Okay, this is the final stage of this market. So looking at this weekly, so what we got to do is when we go into the dashboard, we got to straight we look into the weekly dashboard, and also this is trading above the previous week high, okay, the current high. So there is a strong resistance at 113.50 and 114.35. Okay. Then on the other hand, if 113 breaks, then this is a failure. Then chances are this market is going to go down. Okay. So now, how are we going to play this trade? Is we will try to go for a sell and hold, but the market has not made a turn yet. Okay, so we will try to sell maybe a half lot or 20 or 30% of our usual volume. Then we will go for one more sell at 113.80. So all in all, I think the market should turn either from here or 113.80 or 114.60. Okay, I don't see the price going above that because the market has to turn before the 115.75 if we are right on our analysis. So let's look into the chart. Okay, let's look into the chart. Euro. Okay, let me see the euro. Okay, the euro, we the euro chart is not here. Hold on now. Okay, okay, let me see this euro chart. Let me see. Okay, I let's look into this chart. Okay, I think this is showing the wrong screen. Okay, give me a minute. Give me a minute. Let me settle this. Okay, so I think it's showing. Okay, this is showing the right screen, but euro is highlighted somewhere else. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, we use this pound chart, then we will look into euro. Okay, so since this market is trading above the weekly, so we need to find out what is the weekly high. Okay, we need to find out what is the weekly high, daily high, hourly high, and 15-minute to get the confirm high, to get the confirm high for this market. So here, when we look into weekly, I think 113.80, 114.25, and if the price goes higher, then there is a probability of extension of this level, which is 114.60. Okay, so you take down all these levels, the market may turn before 113.80, 114.25, 114.60. Okay, any one of these three levels. Okay, this is based on the weekly. Okay, then if I go on the daily high, okay, daily high, we expect this market to turn before 11360 and 11380. Okay, so that should be the next level for the price to turn down. Okay, then when we look into the hourly or 6-hour chart, okay, now we are seeing most likely we may have seen the high. Okay, we may have seen the high, and market is expected to turn down from here, and the 15-minute is giving us a confirmation. Okay, so now what we got to do is, I think we are trying to exit this as 113. So we will go for a add-on entry. Okay, that since if this is the high, then market is expected to come down even further. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to go for one more trade. Just now we have shorted at 11330. So now we are going to go for one more at 40 with a stop above 60, 65, and the TP we will try to exit at 113 or 11280. Okay, so we are going for a additional entry. Okay, we are going for a additional trade. Okay, this is a second entry we are going, and this is what we should be doing in our trading. The stop, we'll put a tight stop 65, and this round now we can go for one lot. Okay, one lot, and the expiry for this is, okay, we can give until 4 or 4:30. That means another 1.5 hours. Okay, so let me key in this order as well. Okay, I'm trying to sell. Okay, this is a one lot, this is one lot at 1.1340, stop 65, TP 112, 80, 85. Okay, 80, 85. Okay, so this trade we are going to go for a slightly higher volume because we feel this market has made a high. Okay, made a high, and if we are right, then we can make good money on this if we do. But we are already into the trade. Okay, we are already into the trade, half lot at 11340 stop, and this is probably this one we may need to change to 11280. Okay, 11280 or 11250. So let it be as it is, then later we'll do the adjustment for this. Okay, the next trade we are going to look for is dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen. Okay, let's see the dollar yen. Okay, the dollar yen, the weekly, this is down. Okay, weekly is down, and this is an extension of previous range trading. So which means to say that this is expected to fail. Okay, then the daily is also down. Okay, daily is also down. Your 360 is flat, and we are seeing strength on the 15-minute. Okay, which means to say that this market has also most likely may have seen the low. Okay, may have seen the low. Okay, what we do on this dollar yen, today's low is 45, previous day low is 44.10. That means today's low is lower than previous day low, and today's high is lower than previous day high. Okay, so now we have to exit we can go for a buy because your low is 43.45, so which means to say the low is most likely has been confirmed, okay, has been seen. So now we have to put a stop below 40, try to go for a buy, try to exit at 44.30 or 44 half, and I think we already have an entry. Okay, we already have an entry, so this is going to be a add-on entry. Okay, add-on entry. Yeah. So let's get this trade. Okay, like as I told you, we may have seen the low at 45. So now 90, and we are already holding a trade at 143.60, and we have put a top TP at 144.80. So let it work. Okay, let that work. So now we will try to go for another entry, add-on entry. So right now, if you look into this, we can go for a buy at 43.80, stop 43, 40, 45. Then if you're looking at how far this thing can go, this can go towards 44, 30 or 40. Okay, so we are going for a second entry. Okay, second entry. We'll try to buy at 80, 85. Okay, 80, 85, and stop. Okay, we are going to do a 85, limit buy 143.85, and we can put a stop at 50. Okay, 50 or 45, it's still there, and 44.35, and this is a half lot, and this one we would go for 4 o'clock, because this is this is 4 o'clock, and this is, sorry, what I wanted to say, this is the second entry. Then we can go for one more entry. Okay, because we are splitting the entry now, we can go for one more entry, which is one lot. We'll try to buy at 43.65. Okay, 43.65, and the TP should be 44.30. Okay, so this one we will go one lot, and 43.65, 40, 43, 40 stop, and 44.30. Okay, this is a one lot, and this one we can give some time. Okay, that means maybe until maybe 6 o'clock. Okay, so we have already, okay, we already bought at 60, so we are going for one more additional trade, okay, which is at 43.65. So since we are we have taken the trade and market is giving us the expected move, so we are going to add on into our trade. Okay, let me key in this trade. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, the dollar yen, the 85 is filled. Hold on. Okay, the 85 buying is filled. So we are into this trade. Okay, now let's see what what is the next currency we are looking at. Okay, so we are looking for Aussie, uh, Swiss franc. Okay, dollar Swiss and New Zealand. This three. Then finally we look into gold. Okay, so let's see the Aussie. Sorry, Swiss dollar Swiss. Okay, when we look into the dollar Swiss, okay, looking into the uh, two, sorry, yeah, 2 hour chart looks like we may have seen the base and we would want to go for a buy again, add-on entry at 82.25 and TP at 82.60 or 70. Okay, we should clear at 82.60 or 70. Then the next target would be 83.20. Okay, so here I want to go for another add-on entry at 82.25, stop at 82, TP at 82.60 or 70. Okay, so let's see, 70, 62.70. So let me give you this signal. Okay, we have early earned, we entered at 82.40. Okay, we have a buying entry at 82.05 on the day. Maybe we can change that. Okay, we can change that to, then we don't have to have too many trades in place. So here we are going to change the day trading to 82.25, 81.98 or 95, and this is 82.65, and now we change to one lot. Okay, one lot, and the time we give until since this is only 15 pips, 15 pips, so I think 5 o'clock should be fine. Okay, so let me also key in this trade, then we can see. You know, 82.25, right? Okay, 25. So buy at 82.25, 82 or 81.95, 82.65. Okay, so this trade is also we are in. Okay, so now uh, we are going for a second entry for dollar yen. We have already done. We are going for a second entry for dollar Swiss and euro. Then finally we look for Aussie and New Zealand. Then we look into gold. Okay, now we look into Aussie. Okay, Aussie. Right now, market is within the range, and I think most likely we may have seen the high. Our 15 minute is more or less is giving a turn, so we may want to sell again at 64.50 with a stop at 70. This is only a 20 pips stop loss. Then our target, we can expect 64.20. Okay, we expect uh, just give me one line, 1 minute. Okay, so we'll try to go for another sell. Okay, another sell, Aussie at 64.50. Okay, 50, 64.50, a very tight stop, 70 and 64 figure. Let me see. 64, I think we will go for 64.20. Okay, rather than 64 20 or 15, not more than that. And this round we can go one lot, and again this is until the next time belt. Okay, so then finally we look for New Zealand dollar. Okay, New Zealand dollar is in a similar situation. We may have seen the high at 59.55, so we'll try to sell at 45.65 stop, and 59 20. Okay, 59.20 as a TP. Okay, so that is also a second entry. Okay, 59. Just now I said 45, 45 and 65 and 59, 15 or 20. It's only about 20-25 pips. Okay, this is a one lot, and this is again until 5. So this is up to you to decide whether you want to go for the next entry. The reason why we are going for a next entry is because the first one we go for half lot, and once we see the confidence, then we go one lot. So then we'll try to manage the trades and once the market is in our favor, try to raise the stop loss. The proper money management is very crucial in trading successfully and trading without emotions. Okay, so I think with that, I think now we concentrate on the gold. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. Okay, so I've keyed in all the orders, so we wait for the results. Okay, now let's see the gold. Okay, the gold, then if we have the time, then we look into the others. Okay, let's see gold. Okay, gold is here. Okay, this is showing a daily up. Okay, gold is showing a daily up. Weekly is flat, so that means we expect the price to turn before or at 3326 half, which is your previous week high. So we expect the market to turn either at 3326 half or before that. Then we are going to see the extension of daily. Okay, so that means the previous day extension. So then if you see, your 15-minute and 30-minute is already showing weakness, which means to say there is a possibility that the high is seen. Okay, the high is seen. So let's see the dashboard. We should not see the price. Either the price should turn before 23 or 23 or 26, and current high is 20 half. Okay, current day high is 20 half. Okay, let's see the chart. Then we would see the so since weekly is flat, okay, we don't have to see the weekly. We just need to know the weekly levels, which means to say that this market should turn before 3326, and the current high is 3320, so which is $6 away from the previous week high. So if you look into the daily high, we can expect the high to be at 20, 21, 26 or 30. Any one of these three levels we can expect the high to be seen. Then when we look into the hourly, is similar. Okay, and right now it looks like we have seen a double top, and we are seeing this market already made a high. Okay, so now finally we see 15 minutes looks like this has already made a top, so we should put a stop at 2021. Then right now we are seeing a strength, so let's see the price. Probably we may want to sell at 16. Okay, 16. Put a stop at 20, 21 or 22. Okay, then for confirmation, this is the high. We should see this low breaks, which means that 8 to break. Okay, so I'll give because I can't give the signal there, so I'll give you for spot gold, XAU. Okay, XAU. Cautious sell. Okay, cautious sell. Go for cautious sell at 3 3. Just now what was the level? I said 16. 16. So you may, even if you call yourself an aggressive trader, you may want to sell at 14, 14 half. Okay, this is up to you, 14 half or 16, but the stop loss has to be above 22. Okay, so unless if you feel that you want to take the risk, you go. Otherwise I'll just give the levels, then you can decide what you want to do. Okay, we are selling at 3314 half or 3316 half. Okay, stop at 3322 half. Okay, TP, if this is the high, then we should see a minimum 3300 or 3232. Hold on. 3286 or 3295. So the target TP at 3301. I think just now what was the level I said? Hold on. Let me double check. Yeah, okay, but before 3299. So we'll go at 3301, 3295, 3286. Okay. So this one we want to go for this trade. So try to go for a sell. I think because most likely we may have seen the high. Okay, so you may want to enter on staggered basis. Okay, since you feel this is like you want to enter like market, I'm just saying. So maybe you try to enter on staggered with a low quantity. So what you can do is we can enter like 20%, 10%, 20%, 30% of your usual size with a different level. So when the order get filled, then at least we know that okay, we are having the risk proper money management and proper risk reward. 33 14. Okay, let me put in this. Okay, so I'm entering gold on staggered basis. Okay, I've shorted at 14 half, 20%, 20%. Then I put in at 16 half, 16 half as another 30%. So that means I'll try to do like a half lot total all in all, because this is just the initial stage of a turn. It's not confirmed that this market has already really turned. So if this market is really has turned down, we should not see the price going above 18. Okay, we should not see the price going above 18 or 18 half. Okay, so we should see the price uh, coming off. Then also this is a down hour, so we expect this weakness to be uh, maybe the next hour, because this hour we still have only 15 more minutes left. Okay, 15 more minutes left, and we have to wait for this thing to happen. Okay, so for those of you who came in late, okay, I just want to recap what we have been doing. Okay, morning we entered a short euro dollar, okay, at 11330. Okay, then we were long dollar yen 14360. Then we were short Aussie dollar 64.40. So now we have entered. This is an add-on entry at 43.85, and we are going for one more add-on at 60.65. 43.65, and this is a one lot. So we are going like total one and a half, another half, uh, two lots. Okay, two lots at this low, because we feel that this low is being seen, and we wait for this market to turn up. Okay, so then dollar Swiss, we have long morning at 82.40, and now we are trying to go for another buy at 82.25, and this round is one lot. Okay, and our target is 82.65. Then finally we have a New Zealand dollar. We sold at 59.40, and we are trying to enter 60. Okay, we are not keen on the New Zealand dollar. Yeah, sorry. We are going for one more lot at 59.45. So this is about 5 pips away. Then Aussie, we are we have sold at 64.40, and we are going for an add-on entry at 50. So it's just about 10-15 pips away, stop loss. Then the gold, you can see on the message, we are going for a cautious sell at 3314 half, which we have already done. That is 0.2. Then we are going for one more sell at 3316 half. Okay, that is another 0.2 or 0.3. That means 30% of your usual contract size. So then we are holding that. So if we are right, we should see this low break. If you are wrong, then this high will break. Then we'll get stopped out. Then we got to wait for one more round for a re-entry, and try to be in the business. Okay. So any questions? Anything you all want to discuss? Feel free to say. Then we can move on to the trades, or we can discuss something else. Then we see. Okay, so now let's get on business. So we are holding one uh, Aussie sell, Euro sell, New Zealand New Zealand sell, dollar Swiss buy. So it's like three, four, about six trades all in all. So we are even the gold. We are gold also. We have sold at for 14 half. So we are strictly business in business. So again, what I want to tell you is, okay, our plan for to be in this business is try to we are trying to do 3 times a day, and we are trying to do at least 3 to 4 instruments per session. So that means to say uh, 3 times 3 or 4, that means we have about 12 instruments to play with. So we are diversifying our risk and balancing our trades. But of course, if you feel if you can't take all the pressure, then I let you decide. Maybe you can go on one or two. Okay, no, we are not saying that you got to go for all the 4 or 5 trades. So if your focus is on gold, then you concentrate on gold, and whatever you can concentrate. Then again, we would be also doing, as I told you, we will be also doing one or two index or indices or CFDs. So morning we are planning to have, still we haven't started with full flash. Most likely, morning we'll be doing Nikkei 225 and Hang Seng. Then during Europe session, we will be trying to do DAX. DAX. I think that is alone, is enough. Then during the US, we will try to concentrate on the Dow and the Nasdaq. Okay. So we have a variety. At the same time, we have a lot of opportunities. At the same time, we don't want to be losing and losing money. Okay. So we don't want to miss our goal, and our rule for the game is we don't want to miss opportunity. We don't want to lose money unnecessarily. Uh, at the same time, we look for a high probability trade setup, and also a proper money management, is key to success. So that means what I'm saying, money management is you got to know your risk control. Okay, you got to know your risk control. Uh, then uh, then your risk management, when to go big volume, when to go small volume, when to hold, when to exit. So there's a lot of things you need to know. Okay, a lot of things need to know. Okay, I see a lot of green today on our account. Okay, so I think right now dollar yen we are making about 30 pips. Okay, just quickly tell you, dollar yen we are making about 30 pips, but of course it's half lot. Euro we are making about 8 pips. Then this dollar yen second entry we are making about 6 pips. Dollar Swiss we are just flat, and New Zealand and Aussie also I think we are about flat. Gold we are making about $4. Okay, just now we shorted at 14 half. Okay, 14 half. So we are making about $4 on gold. Okay, so I think that's about it. And any questions or anything, please feel to ask. Then we can go and in detail. So what I think yesterday was not a good day. Yesterday we had gold stopped out, I think 2 or 3 times. So today I think we are in the right track. So let's see how this ends, and let's see how we can end this today. Okay. So any questions or any market you want to discuss? Okay, the goal we need to see a break of 3308. Okay, then most likely we can confirm that the high is seen. Okay, and we need to see break 3300 for further weakness. Okay, any questions or anything you want to ask? So we are in the right track. Okay, gold, we are making money. So let's wait. Give another 8 more minutes. Okay, 8 more minutes for this time to finish. So at least we have a very clear idea after that. Any questions? Anything you feel you want to ask? Okay, feel free to ask. By the way, do you all by the way, any one of you are in the trade? Okay, because I'm not sure whether morning you all attended. Any one of you are in any trades, you let me know. Like as I told you, if you have to communicate with me as well. Okay, if you don't communicate also, then I wouldn't know whether you are taking the trade, whether you are with me or not with me. I wouldn't know. Okay, so please try to share. Then at least we know that okay, we are in the uh, same direction. Okay, we have another 6 more minutes. Okay, the gold still not, we have not seen a convincing break of 3308. So we need to see that happen. Then we can be pretty sure that we are in the right track. Okay, now what I'm going to do is my stop, I'm going to bring it lower to uh, 17 half. Then I have a 16 half selling. I want to cancel that. Okay, we we have 3 more minutes for this 1 hour time belt to finish. So showing weakness, but still we need to see lower lows coming in. Then we can be pretty sure that this is the high. Okay, we have 3 more minutes. For weakness to be seen, okay, for weakness to be seen or weakness to continue, we should not see the price going above 12 half. Okay, so right now I think we are still seeing the weakness. I think it's trying to break the low. We still have 1 more minute. Okay, 1 more minute. I'll just see. Not one more, 2 more minutes. We'll see this weakness, whether this is continuing as expected. Okay, we have 1 more minute. You see, the break is not, it is trying to break low, but still not able to hold. Okay, so let me. So we are into the new time zone now, or time belt. So we'll just see how this strength or weakness in this time. So like as I told you, we should not see the price going above in fact 12 half or 14. Okay, then we should see this low break. So if you see this, then for sure we know that we are in the right track. How many of you are in the trade? Can you text me to show that whether are you in the trade? In fact, I'm holding a couple of trades now. Okay, is there anyone holding any trades? Okay, so in fact we are holding a couple of trades. So these are the trades which we are holding. For those people who are coming in late, these are the trades we are holding, and we have shorted gold at 3314 half. So now we are waiting for the break to happen. Still trying to break the low, but unfortunately this is not able to do so. Then as far as this dollar is concerned, I think dollar yen is showing weakness. Euro is now is coming back, and this is still flat. I think the rest all no movement. Okay, so anyone holding any trades? If not, then I want to end the session. Then I'll see you all again at 2100 hours. If you are let if you let me know if you are holding any trades, then I can tell you what to do and how to manage it. If not, then we'll just end this session. Then I'll see you again at 2100 hours. Okay, so thank you for coming, and this is the trades we are holding now. We have shorted Aussie 64.40, long dollar yen at 43.60, euro short at 113.30, and dollar yen long 143.85. Then dollar Swiss long at 82.40, and New Zealand dollar short at 59.40. So these are the trades we are holding, plus gold short at 3314 half. Okay, so altogether we are holding 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 7 trades. Okay, 6 to 7 trades, but some are double entry. Okay, so at least you respond to me. At least I can guide you. Okay, if you're not responding, then I can't do anything. So you're holding 3 trades. What are the 3 trades you're holding? Then maybe I'll just give you an answer for that. Then I'll end the session, because you need to communicate with me. Otherwise I don't think I can help you. Because you might be doing the wrong thing, or you might uh, close the trade early. You may close the trade late. So if you can tell me what are the 3 trades. Okay, gold has already broken the support. Okay, so this is what we are looking for. Okay, this is what we are looking for, and this is what we want to do. Okay. Okay, thank you. At least you are responding. Okay. Okay, you're holding $2 yen, 1 euro, and 1 Aussie. Okay, so I will discuss on all these 3. Since you are coming forward to share, then I'll tell you what is to be expected. Then the rest I don't talk much, because since the others they don't want to say anything, then I don't want to talk much. Okay. Okay, let's do dollar yen first. Okay, so I'm just going to tell you how you can manage this trade uh, and what should be done. Okay, before we move on, because since the gold has already broke the support, now early on my stop I revised to 16 half. So now I want to revise it to 11 half. So that means in the event if there is a bounce back, then at least I I I exit with the small profit. But of course, my target is still intact, meaning I want to close at 3301. So what I'm going to do is, okay, let me revise the stop to 11 half. Then my target is still the same. Okay, let me change that. Then I'll discuss about dollar yen. So I've revised the stop to 11 half. So then I let work. Then I let continue to work on this. Okay, now let's discuss dollar yen, euro dollar, and Aussie dollar. And dollar yen, you have two entries. Okay, that means the 4360. I assume is 4360 and 4385. Okay, so correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, let me go into dollar yen. Okay, I don't know why this thing is not highlighting. Okay, okay. Anyway, I think we will take from here. Or maybe I use the dollar Swiss chart. Okay, so sorry, euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar is also not highlighted. Aussie. Okay, Aussie. Okay, then we'll go into this. Okay, okay. Now let's discuss the uh, the dollar yen first. Okay, so now if you look into the dollar yen, this is trading below the excuse me, sorry. This is trading below the previous day low, and this is trading below the open. And we were looking the target at 143.50. So the low is 143.46. So I'm holding two trades now. So how do I manage the trade? That means the risk management is the key to success. So you got to, first of all, okay, you need to know that, okay, this is already on the 6 hour chart. We have 45 minutes more left, and we are in the right track, and the market is already starting to take a base. So what I will be doing for this is I will try to exit a profit, and I'll try to go for a re-entry again. And this re-entry should be definitely in the direction of the trend, which is go for a buy. So buy and hold. So that is what should be your game plan. Okay. So now I have two entries. Okay, let me see where is my entry. So I have two entries. One is 43.85. Another entry is at 43.60. Okay. So let's discuss the first entry, the 43.60. Okay, the 43.60, my stop is 43.20. Okay, right now the market is pushing higher, which is expected, and my TP is I've given is 44.80. Okay, so what I feel is we have only 45 minutes left. Okay, 45 minutes left on this uh, trade. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to uh, take a profit. There's two ways which we can do. One is you wait to see you want to exit with your final target is 44.80, but before that we may get a pullback coming in. So if you see, most likely we should see the price hitting 44.30. Then we should see the price coming back or pull back towards 43 80 or even about 44 level. So now what is going to be my plan? Okay, now you see how I do. I think I want you to do the same thing as well. So right now we have a 43.85. This one, raise my stop to cost. Okay, raise my stop to cost. So this is going to be a free ride. Okay, free ride meaning in the event if the price comes down, we don't lose anything. Okay, so we are going to make about 50 pips on this trade. Then the next trade, okay, what I'm going to do is, okay, since I have uh, I have entered at 43.60. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to raise this to 43.85, and this one I want to exit at 30. So you just take note that I'm not putting both as a same target, same target, and maybe one is 5 pips higher and 5 pips lower. Okay, so I'll try to exit this, and what I should take note is my profit should be seen before in another 45 minutes. Okay, in another 45 minutes I should see my profit taken. Okay, if I'm not, then what I'll do is I'll try to close in 45 minutes whatever the price is trading. Then one I'll hold, one I'll close and lock the profit. Okay, so this is what you should be doing for dollar yen. Okay, now next we go into euro dollar. Okay, the euro dollar, okay, it is caught in a congestion. Okay, this is caught in a congestion on the not say range on the range on the 1 minute and congestion on the 15 minute. Okay, so this is expected to break this low, and we should see the price minimum, okay, either 113 or 112.90. Okay, on the other hand, alternatively, I should not see the price going above 40 or 45. Okay, 40 or 45 if this is the high. So there's two ways which we can play this. One is we have to see whether this low breaks. Then if it breaks, then I exit at 112.90. Then I should also make sure that the price doesn't go above 113.40. Okay, so now how can we do the adjustments? So here, if you look into this, we have a stop at 65 and TP at 250. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is this stop, reduce it to 45, and the TP I'm going to increase it to 85 or 90. So this is the price target I'm looking for. Then I also have a second entry for euro, okay, which is I think 113.40. This is a one lot. Okay, if we get it, we will take. Otherwise, we don't bother. We just see. Then we'll try to enter in the next time. But anyway, this expiry is going to be until 16:30. That means another 10 minutes is going to expire and this thing will gone. So now I've done adjustment for dollar yen, I've done adjustments for euro. Now finally we look into Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar, right now this is trading at 42. Okay, so this is in a congestion on the 15 minute, a range on the 1 minute, and the trend direction is uh, in a downside view as long as the price doesn't go above 55 and 60. So we have to wait for this low to break, then we can see a price target of 64.30 or 64.20. So what we have given is we have given 64 figure. Okay, then the stop we have given as 70, so now we can reduce the stop to 60, and I don't think I can get 64 for today, so probably I may want to increase my TP to 64.15. So this is what I would be doing, and whatever the decision we take must be on what you see and what you project or what you expect, and our 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 expectation cannot be beyond beyond imagination. Okay, it has to be very realistic and very realistic, and we have to see what is right and what we have to do. Okay, so now the gold looks like thing is a failure again. So you see here, it went to a low of 5, now it's back to 9. Okay, so if we are right, okay, now what we got to do is another way we can play the game. Okay, another way we can play the game on gold is we have another 8 more minutes. Okay, my TP, I want to raise it to uh, 3 4 3 4 0 6. Okay, then I would want to go for a sell. Okay, if I see, if I read it correctly, we should see uh, either we sell at but because if we can clear this, then we can go for a sell again. But since we haven't cleared it, so I think it's going to be a bit risky. Okay, now this is 4:30. Okay, this gold, if anyone of you sold at 14 half, try to exit at 63306. So I'm trying to exit at 3306. And this will happen only the next 15 minutes, not now. So we have to give another 15 more minutes for this price to come down. I think we are just now we have missed that price target because I thought it will be a continuation lower, but the market failed. So I'll close at 6 first, okay? In fact, 5 half I think should be getting it, but I think I prefer to close at 6. So once I close at 6, then I'll go for a re-entry to sell at uh, uh, 10 half and 13 half. So I wait for my price to close. So once it's closed, then I'll go for a re-entry. Now is 7. So I'm just waiting for one more dollar. And I have about 2 minutes. Okay, 650. just want to close this. Okay, looks like I missed it. Okay, I think I may want to close at 7, then re-enter at 11. That means there is a okay. I've closed at 665. Okay, so now I want to re-enter again. Okay, I want to re-enter again at where was I just now? Uh, 10 and 13, 12.5 or 13 half. Okay, this is a add-on entry I'm looking at. Uh, then the TP and the stop is the TP is 3300 3301 and stop is 3317 half. Okay, so let me put in this rate. Sell at 3313. Okay, 13 half and stop. Okay, 17 half 18. Okay, 18 TP 3301. Okay, this is also 20 to 30% of our usual volume size. So this dollar Swiss is also making money. I think I want to change it to 65. Okay, I want to change it to uh, the early on the stop. Sorry, the target we gave was uh, uh, the target we gave was uh, 90. So we'll try to change it to 65. Then the stop, I want to put it to cost. Okay, so this is going to be a free ride. Okay, dollar yen Remember, I want to close it in another 20-25 minutes, so hopefully my price target reached by then. Okay, so today I think all are making money, so I think we are in the right track. So let's see how we can play the game. Then after that we'll go for a re-entry. Okay, I want to exit at 82.65. $44.30. $265. Okay, so I think that's about it. So what I would suggest for those of you, we'll try to close this trade in another 20 minutes. Then we'll take a profit. All this maximum we'll try to get in a profit on all these trades. So all are making money. Then we'll be doing a re-entry again. So we'll be going on the direction of a dollar buy. Okay, we'll go for a buy on the dollar. Okay, then we will stick to that directions and we'll see. Okay, thank you very much. I'll see you again tonight at 2100 hours. Okay, and like as I told you earlier on, okay, we will try to maximum our effort, try to go for a maximum by not missing the opportunity. Then I think that's about it. Yeah.